Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you how to sell custom t-shirts on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now if you're looking to start selling custom t-shirts on Shopify, well there are going to be a few things that you need to know that you need to set up and you need to take in mind. So first things first, in order for you to start using Shopify, you need to create an account. So just go to shopify.com, create your account, and start creating your store. Now, the thing with Shopify is it's not actually free to use. So if you want to use this on a long-term basis, you can actually, or you need to buy a plan here. So the plan for Shopify ranges from, if I'm not mistaken, is around $10 and above. So just an idea, let's go to our settings here. Let's go to plan here, just an idea. And from here, let's go and click on change plan. Now from here, as you can see, the basic plan here is around $29. So it's above $10 here. Now, from here on, you have Shopify plan as well, which is $79. Advanced is $299 and plus. So in this case, you may need to use or at least buy a $29 plan here, which is the basic one. But the thing with Shopify here, depending on your region, they actually provide you free trials that you could use. So which in this case, like in my case, I got this shop for about $1 a month. So I can use this for a few months, like if I'm saying like 3 months for this specific type of plan. But yeah, so if you want to test it out first, you can just create your account here or your shop and just avail their free their discounted price here. Now, in this case, what do we need to do next? Now, in this case, what we need to do is you want to go and just set up your store here. So that includes setting up your account. Now, to the left side, you want to go to your settings. And first is you want to go ahead and basically provide or fill out your shipping and delivery section here. But in this case, some of depending on the app that you'll be using for custom made t-shirts, you may need to handle the shipping itself. So is that the case? If that's the case, you need to set up in here. But in some custom t-shirts out there or platforms that allows you to basically add custom t-shirts, then in this case they will handle the shipping itself, so you may not, you can actually skip this part if that's the case. But yeah, so just set up your account here. Like for example, let's go to our payment section. You go and just add your payment methods here. So in this case, you can activate Shopify payments as well if you want to. Also, your general information, provide your address, contact details, and all the necessary information that you can provide here. Now, from here, what we need to do next is you want to go and add your domain. So let's set the left side here, just click on domains. And from here, you just need to click on connect existing domain and just follow the on-screen steps that you'll be seeing here to connect your domain. Now, once we've done that, what we need to do next is we now need to install the app that we can use to create custom t-shirts. Now, in this case, we'll be installing one. Obviously, there are going to be a lot. Let's go and visit settings here at the bottom left again, and click on Apps and SEO channel, and click on Shopify App Store at the top right. Now from here, what we need to do is you want to go and just type in or start searching for different apps out there. So there are going to be a lot of apps that you could use. Like, so let's just type in custom t-shirt and just press enter. And from here, there are, again, like what I said, there are going to be a lot of apps out there that allows you to create or design your own t-shirt. So obviously you need to do your own research for this one, which app or which platform is going to be great for you. So each of them have their own perks, the things that you could do, and the limitations that you could do for that. But in my case, I want to use a very specific one here. Let's go ahead and just add Printful, which is the app that I'll be using right now. Let's go and search for it, and let's go ahead and choose the install option here. Now from here, it's going to redirect you to the installation page, and it will ask you if you really want to install it. Let's go and click on install. And once you've installed it, you should be able to start setting up Printful here. Now again, the steps here might be different depending on what app you're using. Now first things first is that we want to go ahead and log in or create our account. Now you can either click on sign up with your email, which in this case allows you to create your account manually. You could also log in into your Google account, your Apple account, or Facebook account here. So in my case, I want to use my Google account. Let's go and choose this one. Let's go and choose our email here and click on continue. Now, once you've done that, it should create our account here. So it's going to confirm a few things like your name, your email address here. And you also need to agree to terms of service and privacy policy. Let's go and click on sign up. And from here, it's going to ask you to do short CAPTCHA or verification. Click on verify. From here, it's going to say, tell us about yourself. So for example, I'm an artist. From here, go ahead and just answer the following questions. From here, let's go and choose clothing and 100% complete. Now, from here, let's go and click on connect store to the following email address. And from here, it's going to confirm that. So let's just wait for it. And as you can see, we've just connected Printful into our Shopify store. Now, what we need to do is we could just start adding our products. So in this case, by the way, you have the import not sync products from Shopify. So in this case, you can change the setting while your products are still being synced. Let's go and click on add product here, and it's going to start creating our product. Now from here, you could go and choose whichever product. So for example, no longer regions, you could adjust your preference here, by the way. So there are certain products that are not available in certain regions, so just keep that in mind. Let's go and choose men's clothing, and let's go and choose t-shirt. Now from here, let's go and choose one. For example, this one, click on it. And from here, it's going to add the design maker or designer, which in this case, you can add text if you want to. So for example, I want to say, I want to add this text here. So we're going to drag it in here. This is our text. And from here, we want to also add, like for example, a clip art. Now from here, let's go ahead and add this one. Now you may need to reposition it. As you can see, there's also a window here that you need to make sure that it's within that. So by the way, you could go and double click on the text here to change that. So for example, type it in here. And from here, you could also change the font, if I'm not mistaken. You can change the font here, the positioning, outline, the color for it if you want. Now from here, you can make it a lot zoom in or zoom out. I'm going to don't show. Let's go ahead and resize this smaller. And just start designing whatever the design that you want to add for your t-shirt. And from here at the bottom right, you have the price. So this is the subtotal here. So in this case, let's go and click on continue. And we've just created our shirt. So in this case, you can go and choose the basic mockup here, custom mockup. Let's go and click on choose the basic mockup here. As you can see, this is what they'll be seeing. So so this is just a mockup that they can refer to. Now from here, you could go and just add like placements like the back here. If you want to remove that, left and right, you just want to show the front. Okay, so let's go and show the back here as an example. And also your mockup format here, you could choose either JPEG or PNG. Let's go and click on continue here. And you could basically add or edit your description if you want to, the product title, the English here, the language, and a lot more. Let's go and click on continue. Now from here, you have the following options. So you have the variations that you saw: small, medium, large, extra large here, the pricing for it. So the print pool price in here. So in this case, you have the retail price here. So in this case, you could go and determine the retail price here, as you can see right now. So estimated earnings here would be the following. And if you're now sure with this one, let's go and click on submit to store. Now, by the way, you can increase retail price here by 10% if you want to. So you can set that, or like for example, let's just make this 5%. So let's go and click on set. So let's go and click on submit to store at the bottom right here. And it should add our shirt here. But once it's actually added, we should be able to see it, or we should be able to start syncing it. So let's just wait for it. And as you can see, it is now added, which in this case, if you click on view in Shopify, it should open up Shopify here. As you can see, your product. And when we go back into our Shopify store, let's go and reload this. Let's go to products. It should actually show us the product that we just added, as you can see right now. But so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Len Up. Thank you for watching.